Once you sign up for your hosting and your domain name and you walk into Namecheap, this is what you're going to see. This is your dashboard. And as you can see, I have a bunch of domain names here, and I have some that are hidden that I don't want to expose because they are private. I have one that is called Bright Ideas Daily. This is an example of a generic domain name, just bright ideas. Bright ideas for solar DIY projects, bright ideas for fishing, bright ideas of how to lose weight. So I pretty much can use this domain name for whatever I want. This is a very, very broad domain name. Like I said in the previous video, you can use a broad domain name or a specific domain name. So scroll down and find your domain name. Probably you're going to have just one. And click manage. So once you click manage, this is what you're going to see. I'm gonna use Weekly Moolah. So weeklymoolah.com, and after you're here where it says Stewer, you see Stewer, this is your hosting. Click this arrow and click go to cPanel. So once you go to cPanel, this is what you're going to see. This is your cPanel. Now here we want to do two things. First, set up our email address, the business email address, and then we want to attach the domain name to Systeme.io. So the first thing we need to do is set up the domain name, the email address. So scroll down here where it says domains, not domains, emails, my bad. So where it says emails, click email accounts, and this is what you're going to see. These are the email accounts, and over here click this button where it says create. So click create, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your domain name, and here is where you set up your email address. As you can see here, it says at weeklymoolah.com. Weekly Moolah is another domain name that I have. So here usually how I go, most of the emails that I set up are either support at my domain name or info at my domain name. So here we can say support at Weekly Moolah, create your password, set up a password, whatever password you use. Usually I set up the storage to unlimited instead of 250 megabytes, so I can have as many emails as people send me, and then I click create. And once you click create, your email is going to be set up, and you're going to have a couple of steps that you can follow to connect it to let's say your Outlook or email client, or you can even connect it to Gmail. But this is going to be very professional username, email, support at weeklymoolah.com or support at yourdomain.com. And for some reason, if you have any kind of technical difficulties here and don't understand what's going on, you can always come back to your main dashboard right here, scroll down and just go to chat with a live person. These guys, that's why I love them so much at Namecheap. They're very, very responsive, and I'm pretty sure if I click this chat live now, they actually have people all around the world. So whether you are based, it doesn't matter if you're from the US or from India or from Germany, they have teams in pretty much each point of the world. So they have 24/7 chat support, and they can fix any issues. Now the next step is we want to hook up our domain name, let's say Weekly Moolah in this case, to Systeme.io. So what we do here, we go back to Systeme.io and we click this arrow on the right side, and we click settings. And after we click settings, this is what we're going to see. And then we click custom domain names, and then we click add a domain name. And here we're going to say www.weeklymoolah.com. I know this domain name is kind of funny. Weeklymoolah.com. We're going to click save. On Systeme.io are going to give us CNAMEs. We have to insert these CNAMEs in our DNS zone. So let's see this kind of, okay, they're ready. So we have to create two CNAMEs with these parameters. So let me show you how this is done. Go back to your cPanel, the main dashboard, and here from the domains, click DNS zone, this one, this picture, zone editor. Click that, and this is what you're going to see. zone editor, and you're going to see your domain names. I have Peanuts Jumpstart, I have I have Ras Minchev, I have Weekly Moolah. So I want to do Weekly Moolah. We're gonna click Manage, and once you click Manage, this is what you're going to see. All the DNSs, everything is here. So what you need to do is add a record. Remember, this is going to be a CNAME record right here. So go back, click Add a Record. A blue thing is going to pop up. This is a blue section. Type should be CNAME. Scroll down, CNAME, like that. And then a valid zone. We want to copy the zone from Systeme.io. So this is our zone. This is the first one. So copy this, copy that, paste it here. And then for the record, go back to Systeme.io and copy this one. So copy that and paste it here. So click Add a Record. I'm not gonna add it because I already have Weekly Moolah is already connected. But just click Add a Record and then click one more time Add another record from here. So I'm gonna click Cancel, but you don't click Cancel, you click Add. So I'm gonna click Cancel, and then one more time click Add a Record. Again, choose CNAME, go back to Systeme.io, copy the first value. Okay, this time we're gonna copy the bottom one. Copy the first value, go back here, paste your domain name here, the value over here, and for the record we have to go back again to Systeme.io and copy this kind of a weird looking code URL. Copy, go back to your DNS zone where it says record, paste it here, and click again Add a Record. Now it takes a couple of minutes, sometimes hours, and sometimes 24 to 47, 48 hours for the domain name to be hooked up. But once everything is fine, you're going to see it over here as a green. So I already have one domain, Pinvertising, connected here, and I have another one that I don't want to expose right now, but I have a bunch of domain names already linked. And for some reason, if you have any issues with the domain names, because sometimes I do have issues, even though I know a lot of stuff, I know how to connect them, I know how to work with HTML. But even if you have never worked with HTML or any of that, even though it's just copy and pasting just some parameters, you can experience some issues, and that's fine, because like I said, Namecheap has 24/7 support, and also Systeme.io also has the support. If you click help, I'm gonna open this in a new tab, and you can just go and contact us, click contact us, and then you can just say what is the issue. You can just say, hey, my domain name is still not connected, what's going on, blah blah blah. So that's about this video. Once your email is connected and your domain name is connected, you should be ready to go. All right, I'll meet you in the next video where we're going to start learning some more important stuff. I know everything is important, but in the next video we're going to start actually start running traffic, or at least we're going to prepare to start running traffic to our website once is ready. And in the examples, I'm going to be using this domain name, Pinvertising, because it's already connected to my Systeme.io. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.